dry summer seasons.
Okay.
The key characteristics of the Mediterranean forest trees are: first, of these forests are widely scattered and have spiny, waxy, small and leathery textured leaves. Second point, they also have long roots and thick barks. The third point, the important trees of these forests are cork, olive and citrus fruit trees.
Anyone to say?
These, these, the trees found in the Mediterranean forest are widely scattered and have spiny, waxy, smally, and leathery textured leaves. They also have long roots and thick bark. Due to the above features, these trees are able to retain moisture in the dry summer season. The important trees of these are cork, olive, and citrus fruits.
Okay. Next question. Why are the tropical rainforests known as evergreen forest?
Ma'am, the tropical
All the
rainforest
trees
is
of
known
these
as
forests do not
evergreen
shed their
forest
leaves
because
in the
they
same
are
season. Hence, the forests always remain green. That is why these forests are known as evergreen forests.
ma'am, because they are confined to tropical regions where heavy rainfall occurs throughout the year. All the trees of these forests do not shed their leaves at the same time. Hence, the forests always appear green, and that is why these forests known as evergreen forest.
Next.
Tropical rainforests are known as evergreen forests because
Rainforest known
all
as
the
evergreen forest
trees
because
shed
all the
their
trees of these
at the
forests do not
same
shed their leaves.
time. Hence,
The
the
forests
always
always
appear
appear green. That is
forests
why
are
such forests are known as tropical evergreen forest.
Tropical rainforests are also called the tropical evergreen forest because all the trees of these forests do not shed their leaves at the same time. This forest receives heavy rainfall throughout the year, since it also called the evergreen forest.
Okay. Next question. Suggest three important measures for the protection of forest.
Each one plants and policy
Deforestation and large-scale plantation of trees. Each one plants one property. A plantation of forest products and enforcement of laws
very important measures for the protection of forests are afforestation, large-scale plantation of trees. Each one plant one policy, efficient utilization of forest products, and uses of substitutes of wood.
वेट स्टूडेंट्स इस तरह से आराम से बोलो, वन बाय वन बोलो, है ना? एक साथ बोलने लगते हो, मुझे आपके हैंड दिख रहे हैं which you have raised. So I'll ask one by one and I'll give chance to each and every person. So don't make it a noisy class. Next question is, what is meant by natural vegetation? How do temperature and rainfall affect its distribution? Explain with example. Wait करिए, मैं जिनसे पूछती हूँ वही बोलेंगे, है ना? पहले आदित्य हंसराज बोलो, फिर हाँ, फिर अन्वेषा, उसके बाद दिव्या. पहले आदित्य बोलो. आदित्य.
The assemblage, yes ma'am. The assemblage of plant species in an environment is known as natural vegetation. Temperature and rainfall are two important factors for the growth of plant. In the area where rainfall is heavy, the forests are thick and dense. Third, and short trees are common in the areas of low rainfall. Yeah, in cold region, the growing season is very short. The vegetation is mosses and lynches.
Now Anvesha.
Yes, ma'am. The assemblage of plant species in an environment is known as natural vegetation. Temperature and rainfall affect its distribution because these are two important factors for the growth of plant. In the areas where rainfall is heavy, the forests are thick and dense. As the rainfall decreases, the size and the concentration of trees also reduce.
Okay. Next, मैंने कहा था दिव्या, दिव्या राज
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो.
Assemblage of plant species in an environment is known as natural vegetation. Temperature and rainfall are two important factors for the growth of plants. In the areas where rainfall is heavy, the forests are thick and dense. Shrubs and short trees are common in the areas of low rainfall or in desert areas. In cold regions, the growing season is very short. Therefore, plants occurs in scattered patches in the form of mosses and lichens.
Okay, next. इस बार बोलेंगे अंशिका, धीरज और कुशल. इस बार बोलेंगे अंशिका, धीरज, कुशल. Explain the importance of forest. Anshika.
Ma'am, repeat the question. Ma'am, disconnect हो गई.
Explain the importance of forest. नहीं पता.
Ma'am, importance of wildlife for forest.
Forest पूछ रही हूँ. Forest.
No, ma'am.
Explain the importance of forest. धीरज बोलो. धीरज. धीरज 8A.
ma'am.
बोलो. Importance of forest.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Forest help us the breath of converting carbon dioxide into oxygen. They provide a safe habitat to the wild animal. Many people depend on forest for their livelihood. Trees also help in keeping the earth cool. Large forest cover help in causing rainfall.
Okay. Now,
deforestation is the rampant manner has depleted this important resource and lead to the loss of habitat from wildlife, ecological imbalance and soil erosion. It is a matter of the grave.
Tanushka बोलो.
Yes, ma'am. Forests are the breathing lungs of our civilization, and therefore they are very important for our survival on the planet Earth. It helps us to breathe by converting carbon dioxide into oxygen. They provide safe habitat to the wild animals and humans. Many people depend upon forest for their livelihood. Trees also keeps the earth cool. Large forest covers help in the is help for causing rainfall.
ओके. लिविंगहुड नहीं बाबू, लाइवलीहुड होगा. ठीक है. अच्छा. सृष्टि बोलो.
Yes, ma'am. Forests help us to breathe by converting carbon dioxide into oxygen.
Carbon dioxide gas
They provide
into nitrogen.
people depend on for their livelihood. Trees helps in keep earth cool. Large forest helps causing rain. Roots of bind soil.
बोलो. दिव्या बोली. दिव्या राज.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
बोलने के बाद तथाकथित बोलो। हाँ दिव्या बोलो।
Forests are the breathing lungs of the civilization, and therefore they are very important for the survival of life on the earth. Forests help us to breathe by converting carbon dioxide into oxygen. They provide safe habitat to the wild animals. Many people depend on forests for their livelihood. Trees also help in keeping the earth cool. Large forest area cover helps in causing rainfall. Roots of the trees bind soil particles, helps to raise the groundwater level and prevent floods.
Okay. Now, next question. Next question. Why do the tropical deciduous forests shed their leaves during summer season? Name two such trees. कुशल बोलोगे? कुशल
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो।
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो।
The tropical deciduous forest shed their leaves in during summer season because it conserves moisture in the day season and the leaves automatically become dry and shed off.
Two such trees. Example. Give example.
Ma'am, maple and oak. Example.
What?
Ma'am, example is maple and oak. O-A-K. Oak.
Okay. Next. Now we will start. अच्छा इसके पीछे वाला करवा देती हूँ, फिर थर्ड चैप्टर के करूंगी. All of you open page number 28. Keep a pencil in your hand. Which term is used for the plant community which grows without human interference?
Natural vegetation.
Natural vegetation.
Natural vegetation.
Then which vegetation grows in hot and humid regions of the world?
Tropical evergreen forest.
Evergreen forest.
Evergreen forest.
The most common trees of tropical deciduous forest.
Tall and
Teak.
Soft Mediterranean forests have
Board leaves.
Spiny and waxy.
Board leaves.
जिसने
Spiny and waxy leaves.
उसका wrong है. जिसने broad leaves कहा उसका wrong है. Next, the area under forest is depleted due to
human interference.
Human interference.
and assembly of plant is an environment is known as
Natural vegetation.
that are two important factors for the plant growth.
Temperature and rainfall.
Then human help to maintain dash of the soil.
Fertility of the soil.
Then teak is the commercial tree of the dash forest.
Tropical deciduous.
Tropical deciduous.
The forests which do not shed their all their leaves at the same time.
Tropical evergreen forest.
Forests, some are dry and moderate rainfall in winter.
Mediterranean forest.
Then
Mediterranean forest.
trees are common in these
Yes, ma'am.
forests.
Coniferous forest.
Coniferous forest.
Yes.
Coniferous forest.
The process of creating new forest saplings.
Afforestation.
Afforestation.
Afforestation. The temperature found in the south
Mountain forest.
Mountain forest.
चलो ये चैप्टर कंप्लीट. अब चैप्टर 8 के लिए जिसे लर्न, you people raise your hand and I will decide answer. Okay?
हम कटाएंगे अपने से.
माइक से आवाज आ रही है. म्यूट योरसेल्फ. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन पहले ये करा देती हूँ. मॉडर्न पीरियड ऑफ इंडियन हिस्ट्री began in the
18th century.
18th
century.
18th century. 18th. The call, you give me blood, I'll give you freedom.
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Chandra Bose. Which language was the newspaper Keshri published?
Marathi.
Of the following was a major factor in strengthening the national movement in India?
Discontentment among the masses against the colonial power.
इसके बारे में थोड़ी हम लोग डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. ठीक है. आपको मैंने ये नहीं कहा कि आपने गलत कहा. मेरे कहने का मतलब है कुछ बच्चे जो देर से याद रख पाते हैं उसे थोड़ा समझा देते हैं कि कह रहा है कि ये चार जो चॉइसेस है इनमें से which one was a major factor? कौन सा major factor था to strengthen the national movement in India? Establishment of National Congress की वजह से इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस की ही क्या मेजर फैक्टर थी? तो नहीं. पार्टीशन ऑफ, वो तो एकदम बाद की बात है. वो तो मेजर फैक्टर अभी वो तो लास्ट में पार्टीशन ऑफ इंडिया हुआ. वो नेशनल मूवमेंट तो तब तक तो वो स्ट्रेंथन हो चुकी थी, तब इंडिया को आजादी मिली. तो ये भी नहीं होगा. स्प्रेड ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड अवेयरनेस, ये ठीक है, लेकिन देख लेते हैं भाई चौथा पॉइंट क्या है. तो डिसकंटेंटमेंट अमॉन्ग द मासेस, ये मेन रीजन है कि ढेर सारे लोग डिसकंटेंट, अनसेटिस्फाइड थे. दे वर नॉट सेटिस्फाइड, दे वर नॉट सेटिस्फाइड अगेंस्ट द कॉलोनियल पावर. कॉलोनियल पावर कौन है? ब्रिटिश. तो सबसे स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट, इफेक्टिव पॉइंट कौन सा है? तो बी है. तो जब तक आंसर चारों को आप देख लो, आप लॉजिकली उसके लिए थिंक नहीं करो, तब तक आप टिक. मैं भी कुछ ऐसे पॉइंट इंक्लूड कर दूं एमसीक्यू में, जब आपको मात्र 40 नंबर के क्वेश्चन आ रहे हैं तो एमसीक्यू में थोड़े से ऐसे क्वेश्चन सेट किए जाए जिसमें कि चॉइसेस कुछ नए जाए कि आप उसके आंसर लिखो. पढ़ाई तो पुरानी है, बस नए तरीके से. तो आप सोचकर लिखना. ठीक है. अच्छा, अभी इतनी देर हो गई है, अभी भी लोग वेट कर रहे हैं मीटिंग को ज्वाइन करने के लिए. नए लोग, इस वजह से मैं अब उनको ज्वाइन नहीं कर रही हूँ. अब हम लोग प्राय एंड पे ही हैं. चलो नेक्स्ट है. द बुक अनहैप्पी इंडियन वाज रिटन बाय
लाला लाजपत राय.
मैम लाला लाजपत राय.
रिटन बाय अनहैप्पी इंडियन तो हो चुका, सॉरी. लैंड रेवेन्यू सेटलमेंट्स आर एन इम्पोर्टेंट सोर्स ऑफ
information.
Collection of Gandhiji's writing has been preserved and displayed at
गांधी स्मृति.
राजघाट.
गांधी स्मृति हो गया. गांधी स्मृति क्या है? म्यूजियम है. अब वो कहाँ सिचुएटेड है? इतना लंबा लाइन, ये क्या क्वेश्चन आंसर है? नहीं, ओनली वन वर्ड आंसर है. बस एक लाइन, एक वर्ड लिख दिया, गांधी स्मृति, बात खत्म हो गई. चलिए Indian National Congress was established in
1885.
1885.
1857 was ruthlessly suppressed by
Colonial power.
Colonial power.
Colonial power.
reforms were introduced in 1909.
Parliamento.
reform.
Now next है match the following. अमृत बाजार पत्रिका
Bengali.
Bengali.
with truth
Mahatma Gandhi.
Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi.
Mahatma Gandhi.
Simon Commission report
1929.
1929.
yes
1920.
next transfer of power
Bengali.
to the British Crown
1858.
1858.
freedom is
Bengali.
birthright
1920.
Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
ते हैं क्वेश्चन में शरण्या है क्लास में शरण्या शरण्या unmute yourself शरण्या शरण्या चलो नहीं सुन रही है शरण्या
मैम नहीं है क्लास में।
है क्लास में है
मैम 8 भी ना।
टू एडमिशन नंबर तनुश्री है तनुश्री
Yes, ma'am.
तनुश्री बोलो mention any 5 major events related to freedom struggle in India.
The 5 events are the Jallianwala Bagh Massacre, the partition of Bengal, formation of Muslim League, Home Rule League, establishment of Indian National Congress.
Okay. चित्रांश बोलोगे चित्रांश चित्रांश आयुष बोलोगे आयुष कृतिर बोलोगी कृतिर
यस मैम।
बोलो
मैम क्वेश्चन रिपीट कर दीजिए।
mention any 5 major events related to the freedom struggle to India.
The 5 major events referred to the freedom struggle of India are partition of Bengal, formation of Muslim League, Home Rule League, Jallianwala Bagh Massacre, and report of the Simon Commission.
Okay. Soumya enumerate the steps taken by the East India Company to establish their rule in India. How did the rule of the company came to an end? Soumya,
Various measures adopted by the East India Company to extend and consolidate its control over India are military action, introduction of railways, postal service, passing different acts. In 1858, the power went into the hands of the British Crown.
okay. Next, सृजा है सृजा
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो सृजा बोलो यही क्वेश्चन उसके बाद पहले बोलो अच्छा पढ़ देती हूँ enumerate the steps taken by the East India Company to establish their rule in India. How did the rule of the company came to an end?
Ma'am, the steps taken by the British East India Company are first, military action, postal service, introduction of railways, passing different acts. The East India Company was established as a trading company, but it took advantage of the political instability and took over the rule of a large part of India. In 1858, the power went into the hands of British Crown.
Okay, Srishti Raj 8C. Srishti Raj,
Yes, ma'am.
बोलिए.
The East India Company was established as a trading company, but it took advantage of the political stability and gradually took a large part of India. In 1858, the power went into the hands of British Crown.
Okay. Mention any how do letter writing and speeches provide information. अविका लेटर के बारे में बोलो, अन्वेषा राइटिंग के बारे में बोलो, सृष्टि स्पीच के बारे में बोलो. चलो क्वेश्चन एक है, 3 आदमी मिलकर बोलो. अविका स्टार्ट करो. हाउ लेटर राइटिंग एंड स्पीचेस प्रोवाइड इंफॉर्मेशन. अविका लेटर के बारे में बोलो.
They provide us a lot of information about the development that takes place during a particular period.
ओके, चलिए अन्वेषा राइटिंग के बारे में बोलिए.
Ma'am, writing provide information about the development that takes place during a particular period. For example, the writings of Gandhi ji at Gandhi Smriti has a library with around 60,000 books.
Gandhi Smriti near Rajghat, ma'am.
Ma'am, who is?
Vatsal.
Nesha bolo.
Gandhi Smriti has a library with around 60,000 books. It has about 6,000 original photographs of Gandhi ji, which also provide information.
Okay. अंशिका स्पीच के बारे में बोलिए. अंशिका
Freedom is our birthright, the slogan by Bal Gangadhar Tilak and the call by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. You give me blood and I will give you freedom, and many more other slogans tell us about the patriotic feelings and the national fervor during our struggle for independence.
Okay. In this way, we have completed our revision. All the questions are discussed in the class. All the objectives given in your book, that is also completed. Now it's your turn. If still you have any difficulty, then you ask me. क्योंकि अब हम जानते हैं.
Ma'am, please explain the answer of question number 5 of the same chapter, ma'am.